moments earlier in this first exam, which Shiro told the others to split up so they can actually hit their targets, which will be hit back. The others have made it back to the rating room, which Bakugo is actually admitting, yes, he's actually admitting that he wants Izuku's borrowed quirk to make his own, which he actually make it. He would actually wanted him to make his own quirk, but he's still acting all bitter since the event around him, since the event at Kimino, which 82 have passed, so that means 11 is still out there. 11 of the, which means the rest of Class A are still out there. And so we actually see a scene where Ida and Ayoma are still battling their targets, which we see in the backflash of Ida actually find Ayoma alone, which they all actually know, which they all actually work together to dodge their targets, which Ayo actually say that he wants to be equal with everybody else, so we shoot his beam onto the sky, which we actually noticed that he actually had two targets out. If he get one more, he'll be out. So that beam actually creates a homing beacon which summons Dubs, and so the rest of Class A have come to that homing beacon and actually getting ready to meet up with them. So that makes 100 appliques pass. So they all meet with the rest of the Class A to the rating room, which everybody is still getting ready for the second exam, which turns out to be the explosion with the same one at Kamino, which we're actually going to see all, which they're using the elderly to use them as the second event, which the second event, when the second exam actually is actually about saving the elderly, which be using their rescue methods, which Zero told Kamirari and Manetta about Izuku and the girl from Shigetsu Academy alone behind a wall while she being naked, would piss them off. That actually go over to Izuku, which they actually beat the hell out of him for actually being alone with a naked girl. And so, which Uchaku actually felt jealous. Now, I'm actually wondering, all of her feelings inside of her get mixed up, which turns out that she might be in love with him, which I actually heard that she might have a crush on him. So, but before that, the room actually transforms, and the second exam actually started, which they actually using the elderly to conduct points if they actually using their rescue methods. So they're actually starting their exam, which somebody behind them getting ready to examine them as well. So like this video, subscribe for more, and then comment what you think about the chapters. Till then, this is EB Games Guy doing here saying sign out. Laters.